Hello family, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did achieve these two-tone knotless braid that you see on my client. They are so beautiful and her hair is all natural. We didn't relax it and we didn't use any heat. So if you want to see how I achieve it, then you keep watching, guys. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to achieve your knotless braid. You want to start by dividing the hair like the way you see on this. Like, it's very easy because you know where you're going to be braiding and you know how the lines are going to come out, the sizes that you want to achieve. So when you divide the hair like this before start braiding, it make the work easier and faster because you don't think of where to put the line or measuring it again. So you just have to like divide it like the way I did, and then you just start braiding each line. So you just watch me as I go along and you're going to see how I achieve this knotless braid with no problem.
You just always been a tighter rush that I've been laid back, yeah. I don't wanna skip steps, you know that. So if you're with it, then say yeah. I just need a little bit of patience. You need me, I know that you've been waiting. Down my number twice, promise I'll pick up the line. I see you worried, don't gotta ask why. You like it, I know that you like it. You like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around for me. You said that you were down, 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 down. Yeah, you just always been a tight to rush things. You just always been a tight that can't wait. You just always been a tight that can't wait for me. It's been a mess and I'm trying to dial back. Can you stick through it with me or not? And it might take a minute, but we'll get it. The type of love that you want, like it. I know that you like it, you like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around for me. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around with me. You said that you were down, 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 down. I know that you like it. I know that you, I know that. You just always been the type to rush that. I've been laid back, yeah. I don't wanna skip steps, you know that. So if you're with it, then say yeah. I just need a little bit of patience. You need me, I know that you've been waiting. Down my number twice, promise I'll pick up the line. I see you worried, don't gotta ask why. You like it, I know that you like it. You like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around for me. You said that you were down, 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 down. Yeah, you just always been the type to rush things. You just always been the type that can't wait. You just always been the type that can't wait for me. It's been a mess and I'm trying to dial back. Can you stick through it with me or not? And it might take a minute, but we'll get it. The type of love that you want, like it. I know that you like it, you like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around for me. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around with me.
So this is the last one. After I'm done with it, I went ahead and dip it inside hot water, apply most and spray the hair down and put her under the dryer for some minutes. Because the braid is very long and it's two-tone, so I had to put it under the dryer for it to dry a little bit, and everything was so nice. It came out so smooth, like you wouldn't even believe that her hair is all natural, guys. She loves it so much. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up And leave down your comments on my channel on anything that you love to see me do on my channel, and subscribe to my channel, guys, and share this beautiful video with your friends and family. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye.
You just always been a tighter rush that I've been laid back.